Hello, everyone. A very warm welcome to all. Good evening. Very good evening, Prasad and sir. Good evening.
Good evening, Manas.
How are you?
Good. How are you?
I'm great. Thank you so much.
It is little bit dark, maybe because of the sunlight. So maybe.
Yes. I'm so sorry for the video because the sun is just shining bright. It's gonna
Yes.
so dawn time, right? So yes.
Let's wait for a couple of minutes for others to join, Manas.
Yes, sure. Until then, I have can I just share my screen?
Yes, fine. Yes.
Yeah, thank you so much. It is mentioning at the host disabled participant screen sharing.
Oh, I have to make you host.
Yeah.
Yes, but now you have to add the people. Okay, now I can also add.
Okay,
you have to add people also now, or you can make me co-host.
Okay, I'll make you co-host. How do I do that?
Just click on my name and then select make co-host.
Okay, make host, right?
Then I would be host only and be a co-host.
Yeah, I have made you that. Hi, Niyati. Good evening. Hi, Suresh. Good evening. NS India. Good evening. Freebird. Good evening. Good evening. I still can't share my screen. Could you please help me out with it?
Yes, 1 minute, Manas.
Sure. Thank you everyone for joining for the session.
Yeah, try now, Manas.
Yeah, it's working now. Thank you. Okay, thank you so much. Yeah, I have just shared my screen. Please let me know if my screen is visible. So I have 8 chats over here.
We can see the screen, yes.
Yeah, thank you so much. Okay, Freebird says it's not audible. Is it audible right now? Am I audible? Is my voice audible enough?
Yes, at least to me.
Okay, okay, fine. Yes, fine. Thank you so much. Okay, thank you, Freebird, for confirming. Okay, I think we have the participants who are still joining. Okay, so yeah, so before I could just proceed with the session. Yes, Vinay Lamma has raised his hand. Yes, Vinay, you have something to share or say? Vinay? Vinay, You have raised your hand.
Maybe by mistake. Once, not sure.
Okay, Vinay Lamha says can't hear. Okay, Vinay, can you hear me now? Am I audible now? I believe I'm audible to everyone, right? Okay. Thank you. Vinay, I request you to kindly check your audio jack properly once. Probably that might help. Yeah, thank you. Okay, friends, so I think before I could just start today's session, I quickly have an activity for all of you. So you can see over here, there are different emojis. And as we all know that emojis reflects emotions, right? So we have different emojis. And before we just proceed, just I have a small request. I want all of you to just circle the emojis. May I request all the participants to please mute themselves? It's a request. There's a lot of echo sound which is coming from the background. It would be really great if you could just mute yourself. Yeah. Yeah. So all the participants, you can just mute yourselves. And also, like, you know, you can see there are a lot of emojis. So this is something like how are you feeling today? Okay, so how are you feeling today? You can use the annotate option. I repeat myself, you can use the annotate option to circle the emoji that you are feeling today. So how are you feeling today? So you can just like, you know, circle the emoji which would deplete your current emotion state. Yes, I can see a lot of people have done this. Okay, Prasad sir has also done this. Great. Yes. Okay. Any one emotion probably, or if you have mixed emotions, then it's okay. I have no issues. You can circle and circle a lot of emojis wherever you feel that you are having mixed sort of emotions today. So I think that also can be taken off probably. Yes. Okay. Okay. Somebody has annotated the crying symbol. 1 plus I can see the phone's name. So can anybody say that why exactly you are not feeling good? I mean, the person who has just put, I just saw that phone 1 plus. Is it Niyati? You can unmute yourself and you can say it out. If you're feeling a little emotional, if you're feeling a little sad, it's okay. By end of the session, I can assure that you will be really happy.
I'm being jobless from last year. Since lockdown, so going through a lot of things.
Okay. May I know your name, sir?
Niren.
Niren. Okay. So Niren, you are sad today, or this sadness is cumulative of the previous instances which you are carrying forward?
Yes.
Okay. Fine. So we will definitely make you smile probably at the end of the session.
Hope so.
Thank you so much, Niren, for sharing your experience. Okay, I can see lots of annotations on the smiley, which is the second, this is on the second right. Great. Okay, I can see a lot of people smiling, laughing. Okay, winking the eye also. Wonderful. Okay, great. Fine. Yeah. So we'll proceed with the session now. Thank you so much for your participation. So this was an activity which I just wanted to know your state of mind today. And so I think I have got a good number of people who have responded with the state of minds. Thank you so much once again. And yes, so let's proceed with the session. So before I could just proceed with the session, a couple of things just I have to share with all of you. Okay, the thing is like Yeah, you can just remove all the annotations from over here. You can just wipe it off from the screen, I believe. Those who have annotated, no, they can just wipe it off from the screen. Otherwise, the annotation marks are still gonna be there itself. Okay. Yes, thank you so much, Suresh. It's really helpful. So probably, yes, I will also remove a few of them. Yeah, great. Yeah, thank you so much. Yeah, so today the title of the session is, can anybody tell the title of the session? What is it? What is the title of the session? You can unmute yourself and you can say it out. Anyone for that matter? What is the title of the session today?
Gratitude.
Okay, gratitude, wonderful. Okay, somebody has typed on the chat. Learn gratitude. Niyati says learn gratitude. Yes. Can anybody say the complete title of the session today?
Power of gratitude lead to happiness.
Power of gratitude lead to happiness. Okay. Anybody else? Thank you so much for sharing. Niyati, thank you so much for sharing. Yes. Anyone else?
Power of gratitude that leads to happiness.
Power of gratitude that leads to happiness. Okay, wonderful. Okay.
Experiencing
Thank you
the
so much for
joyful
sharing.
result.
Okay, let me just I will just let you know what exactly is the title of the session. Okay, power of gratitude lead to happiness. Thank you so much, Vinaya. So yeah, so the title of the session is experiencing the joyful result of gratitude. Okay, so yes, this is all about gratitude, but you have to experience the joyful result of gratitude. So this is the title of the session. Okay, fine. So a couple of ground rules before I could just actually proceed with the session. So first is like, I want the session to be very, very, very interactive. All the participants, I urge, it is my sincere urge and sincere request to all of you to please participate. And it is going to be a lot of activity based sessions, lot of storytellings, lot of like, there'll be a lot of engagements. It is not going to be only me speaking. There will, so since I'm a facilitator, so probably my contribution will be very less in this. Of course, I would share my experiences with all of you in terms of how I have practiced gratitude and how it has actually turned my life. And it has like, made a complete paradigm shift in my life altogether. I will definitely share my experiences, but I would also expect you to participate a lot in this. Okay. Are you all with me? If you're all with me, you can just put a thumbs up from the reaction so that I can see that all.
I want to say something. Please, can I?
Yes, Mr.
Yes.
Suresh.
Mostly Thanksgiving is done at the end, but I will give Thanksgiving in the beginning only before the start of the session. I express my deepest gratitude towards you, towards Bookmatch session, towards all the organization who were very active in conducting this session, organizing this session. Thank you for this session, particularly because this is the need of the hour.
Yes. Thank you so much, Suresh sir. Thank you so much for bringing this in the limelight. And I'm really grateful
This is
to
Prasad
you.
here, Prasad from Mumbai.
Okay, Prasad sir. Thank you so much. I'm truly grateful to you for saying this and for speaking such kind words. Thank you so very much. Okay. Thank you so
My
much.
pleasure.
Yes. So we'll proceed with the session now. Okay. So before that, as I've already mentioned the ground rule, so ground rule is going to be only that I want lots and lots of participation, lots and lots of energy. Okay. Can I see lots of thumbs up from all the participants, please? Quickly. Are you all with me? Yes. Suresh sir has already shown me the thumbs up. Prasad sir, Niyati.
Yes.
Yes, yay. Otherwise, like probably you can also type it out in the chat if you are okay. If you are with me, please type yes in the chat so that I can understand ki whatever I'm saying, you are able to resonate with it. You can just type in the chat box as yes. Okay, Juliet says yes. Thank you so much, Juliet. You can either, thank you so much, Juliet, for the lovely smiley. Yeah, so you can either put a reaction of thumbs up, or else you can just type out in the chat as yes. Anything would be fine. Okay. Thank you so much. Okay, so let me proceed with the session now. I can see one more chat over here. Hariharan says yes. Thank you so much, Hariharan. Yeah. So this is a brief profile about me. So before I could start the session, I'd just like to introduce myself. So my name is Manas Jyoti Mitra, and I am working as a training and quality lead pan-India at a leading e-commerce company, which is based out in Bangalore. And I'm having an overall work experience of 8 years broadly in the e-commerce domain. And I am a certified master trainer. I'm an access consciousness bars practitioner. I'm a neuro-linguistic professional. I'm also a level 1 Usui Reiki healer as well. So this is brief about me. Apart from that, I do take up interest in writing lots and lots of blogs. I do write articles. I do write stories. And I am a storyteller and a facilitator, a coach, and a mentor. So this is brief about me. And you can reach out to me for any queries or any, if you have any questions relating to anything, any related to gratitude or any other things, probably here is my number. You can reach out to me. This is my WhatsApp number as well. It is 8123479819. And this is my personal email ID. This is manasjyotimitra@gmail.com. And you can always reach out to me. I'm very much available on LinkedIn. So this is my LinkedIn ID. You can also get in touch with me through LinkedIn. We can get connected through LinkedIn as well. Okay. So this is a brief about me. So before you could just go to the topic, and as Prasad sir rightly said, this is the need of the hour. Yes, this is rightly the need of the hour. We need this particular thing. Everyone, in fact, needs this. This is really very, 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 very important. Okay. So we'll just go for a quick icebreaker activity. So it's breaking the ice. Let's see now what we have in the icebreaker activity for all of us. Are you all ready for the icebreaker activity?
Yes.
Can you all unmute yourself and say a big yes, all of you?
Yes.
Okay, I can hear only one person saying yes.
Yes, sir.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. You can unmute yourself and just say it out as yes.
Yes.
Thank you. Thank you so much, everyone. Okay, so I will just proceed with this. So here are two images. So this is the first image that I am going to show you. Okay, and you can see an image over here, right? Please observe this image properly. Okay, and I'm going to share another image. This. So there are two images. You all can see the two images. You all can see the two images. Yes. So I'm just going to give the activity. So please observe the images, both the images very properly, because I'm going to give an activity now after this, and you will have to share your thoughts based on these images. Okay. Done? All of you have observed the image? Yes, no? Need some inputs from your end? If you have observed the image, then if it is yes, please type a chat. Type yes in the chat. Okay, Juliet says yes, Suresh sir says yes. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Okay. Fine. You remember this, right? You remember the images? Okay. I am just going to share something with you now. All of you are connected through phone or through laptop?
Phone.
Phone, right? Okay, not an issue. So I'm going to stop sharing. I'm going to stop this. I think a few of people have joined recently here. Okay, Christy, welcome to the session, Christy. Thank you so much for joining. Yes. So I'm going to put a link in the chat box, and you will have to log into that particular link. It is known as Slido, SLIDO. Okay. And I'll just give you the instructions accordingly. So you can just share your view learnings based on the whatever you have viewed as per the 2 images. I've shared you this link to everyone in the chat. Can you please click on this link, all of you? Did you all open the link? Yes. Okay. Thank you so much. Okay. What do you see in that? Do you see something? Some message? Okay. Share your viewpoints. Yes.
Yeah,
Thank
it
you so
says
much.
share your viewpoints.
Yeah. So now you have seen 2 images, right? Currently, in the previous slide, I've shown you 2 images. So request you to kindly share your viewpoints based on the images that you have seen. So what comes to your mind when you saw those 2 images? Just type it out in that particular forum. Request all of you to please do this. So the number is 11680. So 11680 is the enter. You can just enter into this particular forum through by typing 11680. This is the number. Are you all able to type it? Type your responses over there. Are you all able to do it? Just if it is you are able to do it, just please type yes in the chat box. Okay, thank you so much. Once you're done, please let me know. Okay, so far I have got only 2 votes. I request everyone to please participate.
This is Prasad. I have done.
Okay, thank you so much, Prasad sir. Thank you so much, Prasad sir. Remaining rest of the participants request you to please update this.
Yes, Manish, even I have done. Juliet here.
Okay, Juliet, thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Thank you so much.
Thanks.
Okay, I can see the votes, number of votes have started increasing. Wonderful, thank you so much. So far 4 participants have updated this. Okay. Fine, I will stop this. Okay, someone says, can you share the picture again, please? Yes, of course, I'll do that. So this is the picture. These are the 2 pictures. So what thought comes to your mind when you see these 2 pictures, right? So these are the 2 pictures that you can see. And what thought immediately comes to your mind when you see these 2 pictures? Fine. Okay, I'll stop sharing now. A few of the people have joined. Welcome to the session. I will just quickly go to the voting poll and see how many people have voted. Okay, 6 people have voted. Fine, I'll just close the voting thing now. Thank you so much. I will just read out the results and see the results. What are the results? I'll share it with you as well. Just a moment. Okay, I hope you all can see my screen, right? Okay. So these are the viewpoints that has been shared. So first is factories polluting environment. Second image is autumn tree. Yes, wonderful. Second one makes us happy, very peaceful, great. Pollution versus clean, wonderful. Okay, yes. Sumitra, welcome to the session. Thank you so much for joining in. Okay, then after that, we have 2 more responses which says polluted air and water in first image of ship and clean sky with fresh air with a tree maintaining balance of environment. Yes, awesome observation. The first image likes polluted their water, the air, environment. It does not give you a good feeling. Whereas the second picture is beautiful, calm, serene, very pleasant. Thank you. Thank you so much. Yes, absolutely correct. Okay, let's get back to the presentation again and let's discuss in terms of the activities. Activities that we have just conducted. Okay, wonderful, great. So now I have a question for all of you, those who have updated this, those who have taken active participation in the activity, those who have actively participated in the activity which was mentioned. So I just wanted to ask you a question. So why is it so that the feeling thing came, right? Okay, so okay, no worries. You have joined late, so wrote the wrong thing. It's okay, not an issue, not an issue, not an issue, sir. Sir or ma'am, I don't know, because the name is not showing here. It's like H3544. It is showing the phone's identity. So no worries. Yeah. Okay, so can anybody unmute yourself quickly and tell me what exactly was the thing behind this? You felt good and you felt very bad.
Yes, may I have the permission to say?
Yes, 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 Prasad sir. By all means.
Yeah, this is because very sorry with due respect to the human beings, but we humans are only responsible for this. The first thing, in the first image, there was a lot of pollution through the pipes which was going out into the air. Okay, and because of that, the water was also getting polluted, and the marine animals were would get affected by this polluted water as far as the health is concerned.
Okay.
And in the second image, it was a clear sky and a fresh air was there with a tree on the ground. With I mean, the ground was also very greeny. So it was like some people who are environment conscious. They have tried to maintain that kind of environment over there. And again, here also the human beings are responsible. They took some steps. We have to maintain our atmosphere clean and healthy. The atmosphere should be very good, so that all the living beings can breathe in fresh air. So that was that was depicted from the second picture. That's all
Okay.
from me. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you so much, Prasad sir. Really, really wonderful insights. Anybody else would like to unmute themselves and just speak out in terms of what exactly was their observation in terms of the two images which are here? Anybody for that matter?
I completely agree with the Prasad sir viewpoint. Same viewpoint even I also had.
Thank you. Thank you so much, Suresh sir. Anything else you would like to add on to what Prasad sir said, Suresh sir?
Yes, Manish, can I? Juliet?
Yes, yes, Juliet. Yes, please.
Right. So, I mean, of course, Prasad sir has given the technical things, and he's very right in it. But then, from my end, we as human associate everything that we see with feelings only. So, the thing of why do we associate it with feelings? Why do we feel clumsy, or why do we feel good and calm, is because what we see, we associate it, each and everything, with a feeling of it. And hence the first picture depicts a lot of not a good feeling kinds, probably too much of pollution, and the clouds are dark, and it's like a dark thing. Whereas the other one is like beautiful, very light, very colorful kind of a thing. So it's just that we associate everything with feelings.
Wonderful, wonderful. Thank you so much,
Thank you.
Juliet.
Thank you.
Thank you so much for the wonderful.
May I add something, please?
Yes, Prasad sir. Yes. Please.
Yeah, it's basically in one word I can say emotional connect. We get emotionally connected to whatever we see. That is the just a punchline. Thank you.
Yes. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Yes. Now, coming back to this activity. So we all have you an option. If I will give you an option wherein you have to be grateful for the first image and not the second image. So your task is now to find something which is there in the first pollution image and pick up things for which you can be grateful for from the first image, which is very disappointing, which is very loud, which is very harsh, or whatever it is, very clumsy, noisy, cluttered, whatever you just try to name it, and it is, right? So what I want you to do is now pick up something, observe nicely, and type it out in the chat box for which you are grateful. You find a few things for which you are really grateful for, which is depicted in the first image. Okay, so can we all do that? Yes, let's start. So you can just type in the chat box, observe the picture carefully, and then mention the things that you are grateful for. For the first image, not for the second tree image. You can type it out in the chat box, or if you want, you can unmute yourself and you can speak. Anything is fine. Okay, I can see one chat. Okay, Juliet says there are still a few trees and water. Yes, awesome. Trees only. Yes, Sumitra says In spite of the pollution, there are 2 small green peaks. Yes, very good. Yes, wonderful.
I have to say something, please. May I?
Yes, Prasad sir, please.
Yeah. See, these are all visible. Yeah, that is all right. It is 100% right only. I have some different perspective behind this also. I can see the invisible thing over here. See, the smoke is getting released from the chimney, right? That means there is something process going on inside the ship. Maybe some manufacturing process in which the fire is there, and on those particular things on those particular project, some people are working out over there for their bread and butter, for their livelihood. So this is
Yes.
also there. So that means they are expressing their gratitude because they are working, that some divine power or some God has given them some work so that they can take care of their livelihood. Okay, so that is what is I have seen in this particular picture.
Wonderful, wonderful observation, Prasad sir. Very good. Okay, Suresh Gopal sir also says generated employment makes life easy with modern tools. Yes, very well. I can resonate the same point, right? What Prasad sir just said. So it is also a bread and butter for certain people, right? Wonderful, wonderfully explained. Yes. Anybody else would just like to share any other viewpoints in terms of this? Fine. Okay. I think we will just close this here. So what was the learning out of this activity or icebreaker? Can anyone can just debrief me quickly?
Yes,
What was the
expressing gratitude in the adversity also.
exactly? Can we just have a huge round of applause for Prasad sir? Okay, I
Thank
am
you to all.
grateful
Thank
for
you.
the purpose. Thank you so much.
Thank you
This
very
is
much.
what it is. Gratitude is all about, right? It is not that when we are very happy, we should express gratitude. It's even during at adverse moments also, at difficult situations also, during tough times also, when life is a roller coaster ride. In spite of that also, you should be grateful for life teaching you an invaluable lesson, right? So gratitude is all about that, being grateful for the little things that you have rather than creeping over the things which you don't possess or have, right? Suppose I'll give you an example. Okay. Yes, Suresh sir says skill development innovation. Absolutely, Suresh sir. Okay, this is very important, right? So we must be grateful for that. That this particular project is generating employment skill or employability skill for so many people. It's generating employment to so many people out there, right? So we must be grateful for that. In spite of pollution, in spite of this cluttered environment, you can see ray of hopes. Like say, for example, there are 2 green trees which are just standing there. So it also, we should be grateful for that. So the little things that are there in our lives, we should always be grateful for such things, even though we are in adverse situations. I went to the office and I got scoldings from my boss. My boss says, Manas, you did not do the work properly and you need to rework on your entire thought process. I want you to rework on the project again. Initially, what will happen? I will be just like the first image, what is portrayed over here, right? I will be very disheartened, disappointed. I will have a lot of ambiguity. My mind is immediately going to get cluttered. Why did my manager say like that? Did I not put my 100% effort in it? But still, why is it not evaded? Why was it not being honored and valued? However, at the same time, I should also be grateful for, okay, my manager has given me feedback. That means if I consider the feedback, if I take that feedback considerably well, I can even do better in my upcoming projects, right? So rather than being ungrateful for and cribbing over for the things which doesn't hold which doesn't hold any value into your lives, and it clutters your minds with unwanted thought processes, it's always better that be grateful for even the scoldings also, right? Think that that particular scolding or that particular abuse or that particular insult is going to help you in some or the other way. So be grateful for that.
No sound, not audible.
Guys, I'm so sorry. Can you hear me now? Some connectivity issues happened. Since
Yes.
guys for the same. Yeah, sorry, we were in the midst of some discussion. Yes, thank you so much. I'll quickly share my screen. So sorry for the same. My screen sharing thing has been disabled again. So book my session, could you please help me out with this? Book my session, request you to kindly enable my screen sharing option.
Yes, Manas, just hold on. I'm doing it.
Yes, sure.
To find out, yes. Saying. Okay, just hold on. I need to do something else also. Can you check now?
Yeah, I am able to share the screen. Thank you. Thank you. Okay, I can just take this right example over here, right? That suddenly I was in a very flow and suddenly the connectivity, I lost connectivity. Now, can anybody tell me now what should you be grateful for for about in this particular situation or scenario? Anyone for that matter. Unmute yourself and you can share your viewpoints. Or else if you want to type it out in the chat box also, I'm okay with it.
Grateful
Yes.
for nature.
Grateful for nature. Okay. Okay, Suresh sir says you got break to relax. Yes, thank you so much. This is really, I'm grateful for that. Thank you so much. Yeah. So this is how, like, the little adversities also, right? It also, let's consider the adversities also as boon rather than thinking that it is it is a curse. So let's consider this as a boon itself, right? So thank you.
Grateful for adversity also, because that has made us to realize the true potential or the true strength within ourselves.
Okay, wonderful. Great, great, great. Thank you so much for sharing. It's really nice. Okay, so I hope I'm clear with this. Like, I have made it clear that let's not be grateful for things only when we are happy. Let's also be grateful for things when we are not happy. That is when we are sad. Just like I gave the example, the power internet connectivity just went off, and Suresh rightly said, no, that mentioned, okay, Manas, you have got some time to relax. Your vocal your vocal cord has got some time to relax. So I should be grateful for that, right? At least even in a fraction of seconds or minutes also, like I got some time, like, to ensure that I give little rest to my vocal cord. So similar way, so these adverse situations also, let's be grateful for that. Okay, so before we could just proceed, I have a very small story. This is a story of Ben and Bob. I'm going to run you through this story and you will just enjoy the story. Okay, so any guesses who is this guy? Who can this be? Is it Ben or Bob? You can just unmute yourself and you can say it out. Who can this guy be in the red t-shirt? Who can this gentleman be probably? Is he Ben?
Ben.
Okay. Prasad sir says it is Ben. Okay, let's see if there is Ben or not. Yes, wonderful. It is. Okay. Now let's see. Let's run you through the story of Ben. So Ben is working in a very small company, a small firm, which is an Indian company, and he doesn't work in an MNC company, and he earns quite less when compared to, like, high profile MNC people who earns quite more. However, Ben is very happy with whatever MNC he receives every month, and he is grateful for his work. He is happy with his family. He is happy with his boss. He is happy with everything. So there is nothing sad that you could think about. Right? However, I think you can just guess who is this. Who can this gentleman be in the black coat? Any guesses?
Bob.
Yes, very good. It is Bob. Yes. Bob, on the other hand, works in a very high profile MNC organization, a multinational corporation, and earns handsome salary. Yes. So he gets lots and lots of payment, salaries, very huge. However, when you see Ben and Bob, you can clearly make out of the difference. Who is much happier? Is much happier or Bob much happier?
Financially, Bob.
Financially, Bob is happier. But as per the image, as per the picture,
Ben.
Ben is happy. So why is it so? I will let you know the story here. Now what happens is Ben and Bob besties. Besties, they're childhood friends and they are friends from school onwards. And they're good. They're well-being. They passed out from the same college. They are very well-being. They've got placed in different companies, wherein Ben has got placed in one of the Indian companies and Bob got placed in one of the MNC companies. And Ben started earning little less when compared to Bob, and Bob was earning, oh my God, a very handsome salary. But even though when they used to meet every weekends, Bob never seemed to be very happy with whatever he was doing. Ben once asked Bob, "Hey Bob, what happened? Why are you so much bothered?" Bob said to Ben that, "Bob, I don't know what's wrong with me. Even though I'm earning so much, but still I don't find happiness in anything." So, okay, fine. Not an issue, Julia. Thank you so much for joining. No issues. Yeah. So Bob just said this to Ben. So Ben was saying, okay, fine, not an issue. So what's your problem? So Bob says, so don't worry. Ben says to Bob, so don't worry, Bob. Now what is going to happen is, please tell me what's your problem. Now Bob says, even though my salary is so high, I earn quite a lot, but still I'm not happy. I want more and more, more and more, more and more. And Ben was asking Bob, are you not happy with whatever you are earning? I am, but still I feel my colleagues are earning more than me. So somewhat I'm spending sleepless nights. And Ben says to Bob, Bob, I'll give you an advice. Bob says, what is that? And Ben says, you know what is the meaning of sad? When you be sad, these are the things that happens to you. You are full of sorrow. You have a lot of adverse thoughts, and you will always be in the dark. Then Ben says, yeah, Bob, I feel that. Is there any solution to this? Ben says, yes, friend, there is. Now, I will tell you a small incident. I will run you through a small case. Now, what is the case all about here? You tell me, how many hours are there in a minute? How many minutes are there in an hour? Sorry. Then Bob says 60 minutes. It's a pretty simple question. And he laughs. Ben says, okay, hang on. Hold on your horses. How many seconds are there in a minute? Now Bob says 60 seconds. Come on, Ben, why are you asking me such silly questions? Then finally, what happens is, then again Bob says something. Then why are you asking all these things to me? How many hours are there in one day? Then Ben says, of course, Bob, there are 20, Bob says to Ben, there are 24 hours in a day. Then if one day has 24 hours, so one day, how many minutes? So it is 24 into 60. That is 1,440 minutes. Am I correct? Now, like this guy, Bob gets really, what's wrong with you? Why are you telling me all these things, Ben? I'm not a small baby. I'm not a student that you are teaching me mathematics. He says, hang on, brother. I have something very special for you. And he says, 1440 into 60 is how much? Since 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds, so you have in 1 day total of 86,400 seconds. So when he says this to his best friend Bob, then Bob realizes, yes, what's the big deal? Then Ben says the very thing to Bob, says that, now just tell me, is it worthy enough for you to just let go of your precious 86,400 seconds by feeling that the entire day? Then this guy realizes, no, Ben. Then Bob says to Ben, then why are you calling in for more and more problems rather than being grateful for whatever you have? So it's always better that you don't bother about what is happening. It's good that you focus on what you have rather than what you don't have. Everybody in this world has got 86,400 seconds in a day. If 5 seconds of yours has been wasted, if somebody has said something to you, somebody has abused you, if somebody has said, if something bad has happened to you, only subtract those seconds from your 86,400 seconds in a day. Enjoy and be grateful for the remaining seconds that you already have with you. Gift. So he says, he also gives an example. Suppose you have 86,400 rupees or $86,400, out of which 400 rupees you spend, or probably somebody steals 400 rupees. Now, just because somebody stole 400 rupees, are you going to throw away the remaining 86,000 rupees? You will not, right? Similar way, if something adverse has happened in your life, you stick to that adverse situation only and feel sad, sorrow, adverse, and be in the dark for the rest of our lives? Why can't we come out of it and be grateful for the little that we have around us and feel happy about it? So he realized this and Ben decided to give a gift to Bob. Now, what is a gift? So when Bob opened the gift, he was amazed with surprise and he found the gift, which is be grateful. He says, be grateful for everything that you have. And Bob asked Ben a very typical question, a very simple question. You want pretty less than me? How come you keep smiling every day and you are so happy every time? Ben says, it's pretty simple. I am always grateful. So being grateful is very important. Be thankful for whatever things that you have across around you. Simple thing. Be thankful for the little things that you have. Be thankful for the minute things also that you have. It is going to bring in a lot of happiness in your life. Now, keep saying the word thank you for whatever you have. Bob listened to the story of Ben very carefully, and finally, what was the moral of the story or the resultant of the story? Ben started becoming very happy in the same office, in the same MNC company where he was working with other people who were happy. The reasons for Ben's happiness was sorry, Bob's happiness was like Bob started being very happy. And the only reason for Bob's happiness was just he took Ben's suggestion very seriously. And as a result of which he thought, let me be grateful for the salary that I have. Let me be grateful for the work that I have. Let me be grateful for the remaining things that I have with me in my life. Rest everything will take care of itself. And it did change the perspective of Bob. And finally, Bob started practicing gratitude, started being grateful for every time, for everything, for every small and minute things, even in adverse situation. And you can see Bob is now happy, even though he surrounded with a lot of people who were actually not happy. So this is the end of the story. So what was the learning out of the story? Can anyone debrief me? Or what?
Contentment should be the state of mind, whatever the situation is. Be happy with whatever you have. Don't chase or run after the things. Maybe it is money or something like that. Don't run after happiness. Happiness is within. We have to just realize it, experience it, and we should be happy and satisfied with whatever we have. That doesn't mean we should not progress. We have to progress. We have to excel in whatever we are doing it, but be happy at the same time, because happiness is not available in the market. No one is selling out happiness.
That's so true. That's so true. And I completely agree with you. Yes. Thank you so much for sharing such valuable insights. Yes. Anybody else would like to share something? Okay. So Mitra says, be happy for whatever you have. Look at what you have. Yes. That is very, very, very true. Yes. Anybody else would like to unmute themselves and say something? Or would like to type in the chat box what exactly was the crux of the story. So are you able to relate the Ben and Bob story? Sorry, I was a little getting confused with the names, Ben and Bob, because names are pretty similar.
So we should be happy for each and every moment in our life. At the same time, we should be grateful of whatever the resources we have, which we can use it in a positive way to our growth and society growth.
Exactly. Wonderful. Awesome. I will just narrate a small story of mine here. Thank you so much for sharing your viewpoints. Yes, Prasad sir has raised his hand. Yes, Prasad sir.
Yes, just one line in Hindi. खुश रहना है तो खुश रहो.
Yes, very good. And also, I would just like to add on to one more statement, Prasad sir, is I can still resonate. Whenever I travel through flight, I listen to this particular saying, right? Ki oxygen आपके सामने आ जाएंगे तो दूसरों की सहायता करने से पहले खुद की सहायता करें. So before helping others, you have to help yourself. So one to make others happy, it is very important that we ourselves should be happy first, right? It's only then we can make others happy.
Yes, absolutely right. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Yes. So I'm just going to narrate a small story which happened to me recently, a couple of days back. And I'm a very foodie, and I love biryani a lot. Yes. So what happened is, like, I went to one of the famous restaurant in Bangalore, and I wanted to have biryani. So whenever I go to that particular place, I definitely ensure that I have biryani there. I just went there to the restaurant, and finally I ordered for biryani, and with lots of hopes and aspiration, I went there to have biryani. And finally the waiter comes to me with a very saddened face, and he says, "Sir, biryani is not there." So I was a little disheartened initially. Of course, yes, because my expectations was not met, and that's the human psychology. When your expectation doesn't meet, obviously your emotional quotient will come down automatically. It will dip down automatically. But still, I had hopes. I said, okay, then what else is there? Then he said, we have veg fried rice, we have chicken fried rice, we have this. Then I thought, okay, let me try chicken fried rice today. Let me not, since I don't have biryani, I don't have the privilege to have biryani here today. So let me go ahead with chicken fried rice. And he served me chicken fried rice, and it was out of the world. Once I had chicken fried rice, I just walked up to the manager of the restaurant, and I complimented him, said, "You really have a very good chef. because he has prepared the chicken fried rice so meticulously well, and it is so authenticated. The taste is very authentic, and I really enjoyed it. Then I realized that, I was only, whenever I used to go to that restaurant, I had the typical mindset to only have biryani. So never ever I thought, okay, I should also have something which is not apart from biryani, and taste something, and soothe my taste taste buds. But still I thought it, okay, I'll only have biryani. So that was there in my mindset. There was a preconceived notion I always used to have whenever I used to enter the restaurant. However, like on the other day, when my thought process has changed and I completely changed my plate altogether, I was dazzled with joy to eat chicken fried rice, which was out of the world as well. So this is what it is, right? So I was grateful for that. So this is what it is. Sometimes what happens is, if certain things doesn't goes in our way, if destiny designs everything for us, so we should always, we all agree to this, because God has designed each and every stage or each and every step of our life. So this is really important. So even though like certain things doesn't goes in your way, be grateful for that God is showing you some other way, or destiny is showing you some other way, universe is showing you some other way. So please follow that path. It's okay if things will not go as according to you, but probably you might end up, getting into a better situation altogether. You never know that, right? So this is my experience, which I just wanted to share with all of you. And thank you so much for allowing me to share this. Again, I will also listen to a few of the participants' stories as well altogether. Okay, thank you so much, Prasad sir. Truly grateful for this. Okay, so now there is a thing. What are you grateful for? Okay. So this is.
Sorry to interrupt. Hello,
Yes.
sorry to interrupt. My battery is getting exhausted, and actually I'm traveling also. Only 2% of the battery is remaining, so I may log out at any moment of time.
Sure,
But the
sure.
session was very amazing and wonderful.
Thank you so much.
Thank you to Book My Session, Gurpreet ji. Thank you, Mitra Saab. Thank you very much. It was worth listening, worth seeing, and thank you from bottom of my heart. You made my evening. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much for your kind
Really, it
words.
was a value addition. Will implement definitely in my life also.
Sure. I believe the recording would be available post the session, so you can always go through the recording to view the entire clipping of the session.
Yes, I will do that. Yes, thank you. Catch you
Thank
later.
you
See
so
you.
much.
Bye.
Yeah, bye. Okay, so we have one activity now, that is I'm grateful for dash. So what I'm grateful for. So again, I will be sharing a small Slido link with all of you today. So in this particular thing, I just want you to share your experiences in terms of what are you grateful for. So again, I'll go back to the Slido link over here. Okay, I'm just going to share the link. I've copied the link. I'm sharing the link with all of you in the chat box. So request you to please click on the link, get into the link. Okay. So you can just click on the link. Can you see the link now? Is the link visible? Please type yes if it is there. Yes. Okay. Fine. Thank you so much, Suresh sir. Yes. So you can click on the link, and there will be a question. I will just activate this. So please mention what are you grateful for today. Okay. And start voting. So let me also see, and the it is 116807, same thing. It is 11680 itself. If it asks you for entering into the website of Slido, you can use this 11680. I request all the participants to please start voting in. So just question is, I am grateful for. So what are you grateful for? You can just mention 2, 3, anything, any number of things that you are grateful for. You can keep updating there. Okay. Okay, I can already see 2 votes. Request all the participants to please participate. Please start voting in. I'll share the results with you as well in the form of a word cloud. Only 2 have voted until now. I request the participants to please vote. If you are facing any blockers or challenges, you can please let me know so that I can help you out with it. I request all the participants to please do share your feedback or vote in terms of what are you grateful for. It can be a 1-liner, it can be 2-liner, it can be 3-liner, anything. Okay, I can see 3 votes. Okay. Okay, I can see this. Okay, few of you have updated this. Others? Okay. Okay, Freebird says, I'm grateful for everything, what you share us. Thank you so much, Freebird. I'm sorry, I'm taking the name as Freebird over here because it's mentioned as Freebird. Sincere apologies for the same. Wait, I'll just share my screen and I will let you know, show you the results. But before that, I will just freeze this. Okay, I've logged the voting and I'm just gonna show the results now. Thank you so much for sharing your valuable insights and votes. Okay, so I hope all of you can see my screen. So what are you grateful for? So I think most of you have mentioned as everything, health, job, salary. Pandemic has opened up so many sessions on Zoom. Yes, that is also one of the things which I'm grateful for. Family, life, book my session. Okay, wonderful, wonderful. That's really nice. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for taking active participation in this. Okay. Okay. So now we have seen this. We have done the activity. Thank you so much. Now I believe you have understood that you need to be grateful for everything. Okay. I have a quick video to show you. Okay. So request you all to go through the video and then share your debriefing in terms of what exactly the video was all about. Fine. So let's start. Let's quickly observe the video. Are you all ready for it? If you're ready, please type in the chat as yes. All of you. I just need to see some responses. Quick responses. Okay, Freeword says yes. Okay. Sumitra says yes. Thank you so much. Okay, so let's get on to the video quickly now. So here's the video which is getting played.
You have an attitude of gratitude? What on earth is that? An attitude is a way of thinking or feeling about something. We can have a good attitude or a bad attitude.
Okay, I'm just playing. I'm just playing this from the beginning.
Do you have an attitude of gratitude? What on earth is that? An attitude is a way of thinking or feeling about something. We can have a good attitude or a bad attitude. The cool thing is that we are in charge of our attitude. We can choose to have a positive attitude. When we find things to be grateful for and always look for the good, we have an attitude of gratitude. There are so many things to be grateful for. The air we breathe, a sunny day, a favorite friend. Sometimes we forget all of the great things in our lives. Sometimes it's hard to have a good attitude, to be grateful. It can be really hard to see the good when everything seems to be going wrong. Like when it's rainy and you don't see a bit of the bright sun anywhere. But there is always something to be grateful for. When it rains, we can be thankful for the rain helping the grass and plants grow, or getting to splash in the puddles. When we make mistakes, we can be grateful for the opportunity to learn something new and to have the courage to try again. Remember, we can't always choose what happens to us, but we can always choose how we respond. We can always respond in a healthy, positive way. We can choose to look for the good in our lives and practice gratitude. Gratitude makes life fuller, brighter, and better. It turns whatever we have into enough and more. It turns a meal into a feast. When you have an attitude of gratitude, you think positively. When you think in this way, it will change the way you feel. Positive, grateful thinking makes you feel good and happy. Remember, you get to choose your thoughts. Isn't it amazing that you can choose what you think and how you feel? The more you think good thoughts, the easier it is to do. We have to work out our gratitude muscle and make it bigger and stronger. So what do you say? Are you ready to have an attitude of gratitude? What are you thankful for? Starting today, let's be grateful, thinking good thoughts and feeling happy.
Okay. Okay, video is not visible. Can you please unmute yourself? Was the video not visible?
No, no, Manas, I couldn't see it.
Okay, I'm so sorry for that. 1 second.
I think someone else also, Freebird also could not
Okay.
see.
Okay, can you see my screen now? The video screen now?
Yeah.
Play the video once again then.
Now it's visible.
Okay, I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry for that because the video was playing and I couldn't see the chat. I'm really sorry. Sincere apologies for the same. Okay, I'll just start the video once again. Okay. Is it visible now?
Yeah.
Yeah, fine. Thank you. Thank you so much for the confirmation.
Do you have an attitude of gratitude? What on earth is that? An attitude is a way of thinking or feeling about something. We can have a good attitude or a bad attitude. The cool thing is that we are in charge of our attitude. We can choose to have a positive attitude. When we find things to be grateful for and always look for the good, we have an attitude of gratitude. There are so many things to be grateful for. The air we breathe, a sunny day, a favorite friend. Sometimes we forget all of the great things in our lives. Sometimes it's hard to have a good attitude, to be grateful. It can be really hard to see the good when everything seems to be going wrong. Like when it's rainy and you don't see a bit of the bright sun anywhere. But there is always something to be grateful for. When it rains, we can be thankful for the rain helping the grass and plants grow, or getting to splash in the puddles. When we make mistakes, we can be grateful for the opportunity to learn something new and to have the courage to try again. Remember, we can't always choose what happens to us, but we can always choose how we respond. We can always respond in a healthy, positive way. We can choose to look for the good in our lives and practice gratitude. Gratitude makes life fuller, brighter, and better. It turns whatever we have into enough and more. It turns a meal into a feast. When you have an attitude of gratitude, you think positively. When you think in this way, it will change the way you feel. Positive, grateful thinking makes you feel good and happy. Remember, you get to choose your thoughts. Isn't it amazing that you can choose what you think and how you feel? The more you think good thoughts, the easier it is to do. We have to work out our gratitude muscle and make it bigger and stronger. So what do you say? Are you ready to have an attitude of gratitude? What are you thankful for? Starting today, let's be grateful, thinking good thoughts and feeling happy.
Okay, fine. Okay, sincere apologies for the video which was not played earlier. So can anybody unmute themselves and can anybody tell me what exactly was, can anybody debrief me about the video?
It's up to us to choose our thoughts. I mean, we should think positively, and that's how we can be happy instead of being, sad about what has not happened. Something new can, there's always something new in whatever happens. So look at that. That's what I understood. Yeah.
Yes, absolutely. It's very true. It's very correct. So That's how life is all about. So if you see certain things which are, so initially also I showed the picture, right? And now in this video also, it is very clearly depicted that let's be grateful for all the things that we have, which is surrounding us, rather than cribbing over why certain things have not happened into our lives. Like this will be attracting. So once we practice gratitude, it's all about attracting more and more of positivity into our lives, making our lives even more easier. Okay. And it is going to make our life much more simpler and happier. So that is what it is. So about me, I have been practicing gratitude quite for some time now, and I have truly experienced immense, fully great results and tremendous good results out of this. So I am grateful for everything, whatever I have. As I mentioned, that if whenever I am in a problem also, I am still grateful for the problem, because the problem is somehow trying to teach me some certain things, a certain ways of life. So which if I can follow that, probably that would lead into better results. So I have got immense good results out of this. And I also practice gratitude. I have this. How do I practice? I'll also show to all of you. I have this stone, which is known as gratitude stone. So I have kept this stone over here. I can show I'm showing this stone to all of you. I believe it is visible. It's a very small stone. It just comes to my hand. So I have this palm over here. So you can see the palm. I can just hold this stone in my palm. So every day, so every night after every night before going to bed, right? What I do with the gratitude stone is I just hold this gratitude stone and I think of the best moment that have happened in the entire day. So there'll be so many good moments, right? In a day. So there are 24 hours in a day, and in a day, so you might encounter some good moments, some bad moments, anything for that matter. Any moments which is very close to your heart, or any moment which has touched your heart, any moment which you feel that it was very nice. Okay, so I just hold this gratitude rock and I just say the best moment that have happened in the entire day for me, with what it was best, what lesson it has taught me, and I just say the magic words, that is thank you, thank you, thank you, and then I keep the stone right in front of my bed, where I go to sleep. Yes, Freebird says gratitude stone is very powerful. Yes, it is. Okay, Freebird says he is also using it. Thank you so much. That you are also utilizing and using this, and this is really very powerful. It is. So now you can just imagine that every day when I keep expressing my gratitude, all my good thoughts are there in this stone, and this stone is a magic healer now. So whenever I have a difficulty, I have a headache, or I have any sort of difficulty in my body, I don't do anything. I just pick the stone. If I'm having headache, I just put it on my head. If I'm having some body pain, I put it on my body, and instantly within some time, the pain goes off. And this is something that I have experienced it. And that's the reason I thought of bringing this thing in the session today in front of all of you to share this particular experience of mine with all of you. So I request all of you to also take this stone, find any stone. It can be any stone which can easily fit into your palm. Okay. And it is coined as magic rock. I call it as magic rock. So you can just keep it in the palm, and entire days, whatever good things have happened, whatever things you are grateful for, you can just say it out before going to the bed. And you can keep the stone right in front of the bed, or right beside your bed, and you can just sleep. And this is going to be very, very, very powerful stone. This is known as the gratitude stone, and I coin it as magic rock. Yes, I have 2 chats over here. I'll just quickly see. Yes, this is something very different, unique to develop gratitude. Thank you so much, Sumitra ma'am. Yes, it is. And I have been following this, and I'm suggesting all of you also to follow this. Apart from this, there is something also called as gratitude journal. Okay, so it's known as journaling. So I'm grateful for what I'm grateful for. So if you want, you can also maintain a separate journal. You can also maintain a separate book wherein you can write down whatever the things that you are grateful for. Or if in case if you feel that you don't have sufficient time to write down or jot down something for which you're grateful for, just say it out to the universe that you are grateful for. Say the air you breathe, you are grateful for the food that you eat, you are grateful for the clothes that you wear, you are grateful for the mobile phone that you have, right? You are grateful for the mouse that I have. You can grateful for I'm grateful for the internet that I'm having internet connectivity that I have. through which I'm able to express my viewpoints, and we can each meet each other easily, right? So this is what you can do. You can also journal your thoughts. I also have the journal. I'll show that to you as well. So I will bring that journal. I'll show it to you how I have maintained the gratitude journal. Or sometimes if I don't journal it, I just say it out. Okay, I'm grateful for this. I'm grateful for, say, air. I'm grateful for water. I'm grateful for food. I'm grateful for anything for that matter, right? So this is how, if you start doing it, you can see there will be immense amount of changes which has incurred in your life, and you will be very, very, very positive. Trust me, mark my words, take this from me. I am a person who preaches once I practice, right? I will never practice. I will never preach anything which I don't practice. I have practiced it. I have made my mom also to practice this. Even she has transformed completely. Now her age is 64 years, but I must say she is so powerful. She is so brilliant. She can take care of herself so effectively well. And she has a magic rock. She practices gratitude. And I'm truly grateful that she does everything, right? So this is all about it. Yes, I have quickly a few chats which I would just like to go through. Yes, gratitude journal. Yes, Prasad sir says, yes, sir, that is gratitude journal. You don't believe when I'm holding my magic rock and feeling happy. Thank you so much, Freebird, for sharing this. Grateful for breathing, grateful for beautiful life, grateful for the heart that is throbbing inside. Yes, Prasad sir, this is very important point. Let's thank our body parts also. One more thing, very importantly, if we have headaches, if we have problems, we'll directly straight away go to the doctor and seek for a solution, or else we go to the medical store to pick or grab some medicines and then we consume it, right? I will tell you a very simple therapy, a very simple methodology or solution to this. You don't have to go to a doctor. You don't have to grab ample amount of medicines. You don't have to do anything as such. If you're having headache, if you're having difficulty in breathing, just say the magic words, that is, thank you. Thank you, head, for being there with me. Thank you, body, for being there with me. Thank you, soul, for being there with me. Thanks, give thanks to heart, give thanks to your kidneys, give thanks to your livers, give thanks to your small intestine, large intestine, give thanks to your duodenum, give thanks to your pancreas, whatever functions, and each and every minute functions of the body also. Please start thanking, and you will see immense amount of change. If there is an immense pain in the hand, just say, thank you so much, hand. I am truly grateful for you. Because of you today, I am able to hold things. I'm able to write with you. I'm able to do all my necessary duties with you. Without you, I can't even imagine my life to be as grateful as what it is right now, right? So these are the couple of things. These are the couple of mantras that we all should start doing it. And this is going to intensify and leverage our positivity to a greater extent. Mark my words, this is something that I have been practicing, and I thought of sharing it with all of you so that even you can also take this and you can start practicing this into your real lives and see the positivity and see that your life is going to change completely. Earlier, I used to be always sobbed. I used to always get depressed for certain things. But now I don't even bother for certain things. The reason being, I'm grateful for everything. If there is a problem, I'm grateful for the problem also. If I get a solution to the problem, I'm even grateful for the solution also, which I have got. Right? So this is how gratitude is going to help you to live a very fruitful and a longer life in the long run. So please follow this. And at the same time, please start thanking all the body parts. This is really, 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 really important. I have done Reiki healing session, and in the Reiki healing also, this is the first level of healing, also talks about thanking your body parts itself, right? So this is what I have learned in Usui Reiki, which I have done a couple of days back. I've got the certification also, and I'm so happy and I'm so blessed that I have I get an opportunity. I have to practice this particular thing for 21 days, thanking my body parts, because my body needs acknowledgement. I will tell you one thing: when your body starts paining, when your body is not, you have fever, you are dull, this is nothing but body is giving you the symptoms. Body wants you to acknowledge it, right? But we don't do that. We have never acknowledged our hearts. We have never acknowledged our own self. So have we ever said, have we ever been grateful to ourselves first? Have we ever been grateful to ourselves? Have we ever said that, okay, you are great? If I have done hundreds of mistakes in my life, but at the same time, I always, because somebody else will come and say, Manas, you are good for nothing, you've done a mistake. Then I will buy their points and I will get into it. I will magnetize it and I will put it in my heart and I will say, oh, Manas, why did you do? Why are you so stupid? Why did you make such mistakes? So rather than saying that why I have made the mistake, can we turn it in different way and say that, wow, Manas, you have made a mistake. Yes, so pat your back for that. We don't do it. Let's start doing it. It's okay. We are all human beings. We tend to make mistakes. If we don't make mistakes, who are gonna make mistakes, right? It's okay. You can always acknowledge and pat your back once you make any mistakes. You feel instantly whatever the head weight will be there, no, that will just go off instantly. Start thanking, be grateful for everything. Your life is gonna change. Mark my words. Okay. So yes, I have, I can just say, there is something in the chat as the only soulmate in the body that we have. Yes, very good. Yes, Prasad sir. Yes, everything, each and everything. So when some pain happens, when we are having problems with the gastric, with a gastric problem, we have, what is that? We have body aches and all. Start thanking. My mom is 64 years and she gets a lot of aches and all in her bodies. Then I only tell her, Mom, start thanking your body. And she does. She immensely does, thanking her body, and because of that, immediately the pain goes off within a fraction of seconds. But you have to believe. That is the whole point, right? If you believe it, you will receive the results pretty soon. The believing is very, very, very important. So that is what was my story all about. So I'm just going to share the screen over here now. So I think we are done with this. Any questions so far before we could just proceed? Any questions, any concerns? If you have, I would be happy to answer to those questions. Any questions until now?
Yes, may I?
Yes, please. Yes, Prasad sir.
Yeah. And again, thank you that I was able to catch the session again, because I was 5 minutes away from my house. Somehow I got the session again. Thank you for this. Thank you to the universe.
Thank
One thing,
you.
which hormone is released when we express the gratitude or when we are in a happy state of mind? Is it dopamine or oxytocin?
It is dopamine. It is dopamine which is released. Okay. Oxytocin is released when you cuddle. Suppose, for example, if somebody
Love, right? Oxytocin is for love.
Yeah, it's for love. So when somebody hugs
Okay.
you and say, Prasad, you have done a great job, and somebody pats your back and say, then probably your oxytocin gets released. Otherwise, it is dopamine.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, thank you so much, Prasad sir, for asking this question. Anybody else? Any questions further would you like to ask? Yes, there's something in the chat. I will just quickly go through the chat. Yes, wonderful trip to be grateful to your body parts when it aches. Yes, Sumitra ma'am, this is something that me and my mom follows religiously, and we have got immense results. So I am putting forward this to all of you for your benefit, for your welfare. I request all of you, I urge all of you to please put it in practice, and trust me, you will gain immense effective results out of this. Mark my words. Thank you so much. Any further questions? Any questions before we could proceed further?
Yes. One last question. I won't be taking much of your time.
Yes, no issues.
Okay. Is there any increase in the testosterone, especially in the men's, because that is a hormone which is connected to men when we are very happy or when we are in the gratitude state? Does it has something to do with testosterone? That is what I want to ask.
Yes, so I'm not very sure of it, whether it releases something or not, but of course, yes, when dopamine is released, yes, probably oxytocin is released, yes, it also has an impact on your testosterone as well, because that's how it is, the love making thing that happens, right? So yes, that happens.
Yes. Thank you very much.
Sir, I have one question.
Yes.
Sorry, I missed a few last minutes. So I just want to know, say, when you have body ache, you always feel sad, exhausted, tired. But how do we convert such thoughts to a grateful thoughts or positive thoughts? So what should we say to ourselves so that it helps us in healing?
Yes.
Can
So
you please?
a very good question, Suresh sir. So basic thing is that whenever you are having body aches or whenever you have pains or something in the body, what you can do is basically which part of the body you are having the pain. So suppose, for example, you have pain on this particular area of your body. So you can just thank, suppose, for example, you can say, suppose you have pain in the hand, you can just say that hand, I'm truly grateful to you. Thank you so much for being there. Okay. And you just say to the hand, you just do like this to the hand and just say, thank you, hand, for being there with me. Thank you for the pain. Just to pain also, you can say, pain, I'm really grateful to you that you are there. And I understand that you are there because I couldn't acknowledge you for a long time. Now I'm acknowledging you. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, hand for being there. Thank you, pain. Thank you, pain. Just say thank you. Because pain is something which is considered to be as a negative thing, right? Because it creates some sort of imbalance in your body. But once you give positive vibes to the pain, once you say thank you, because thank you itself is nothing but gratefulness, showing gratitude to it. Once you start showing gratitude to the pain, slowly the pain gets decreasing. So whichever the parts, whichever area, or whichever parts of the body you are feeling the pain, just go to the body and just go to the same part and just cuddle the body a little bit and just say thank you. And start saying thank you twice, thrice, 4 times, as many times as possible. And you can see the result immediately. The pain's intensification is gonna come down.
Yeah, Manas, in one of the NLP sessions, no, we were told, touch that part and say, I love you, I love you.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes, thank you so much, Sumitra ma'am. So since I am also an NLP practitioner, and yes, it is there in the NLP also that you have to start loving your body parts, start loving each and every part of your body, and you will just start seeing immense results out of it. Suresh, I hope I've answered your question.
Yes, sir. Thank you very much, sir. Thanks a lot.
Thank you so much. Yeah. So I think we are left out with just a couple of things. Okay, I have one more chat over here. Thank you so much, Suresh sir. So I'll just have a couple of things before I could just wrap it up. Is my screen visible?
Yeah.
Fine. So sharing life experiences, I think I have done sharing life experiences. Any one participant, probably if any one or two participants, if you would like to share your life experiences, since we are running out of time now, I think any one participant, probably if you would have experienced gratitude, if you're practicing gratitude, if you could just share your story in the forum, it would be of great help. Anyone probably. Anybody would like to share something?
Just a one line I can say. May I, please?
Yes. Please, Prasad sir.
Yeah, thank you very much for this pandemic, because in this pandemic, a lot of grooming is taking place in myself through these sessions, through the people I deal with, through the people around me, surrounding me. I can just, this is just a punchline, not a story actually, because we are running out of time. But I have noticed a significant change in myself, in my way of speaking, in my behavior, in my attitude. And I express my gratitude for all these things which are happening in my life since pandemic, that is March 2020. Thank you very much.
Okay. Thank you so much, Prasad sir. Anybody else would like to share something, like probably a one-liner or something? A one-liner or something, anybody?
Yeah, the pandemic has opened up so many things and made us introspect more and realize so many things which we would not have realized otherwise. That's what I felt.
Thank you so much, Sumitra ma'am. Thank you so much, sir, for sharing your valuable insights. I'm truly grateful to both of you for sharing your life experiences. And there's a small quote which is a very important thing, which I also practice this in my day-to-day life. So I would just request any one of you to please read this. Can anyone read this, please?
Every day, in every way, I am getting better and better.
Tathastu.
Thank you so much. So
Yeah.
this is a quote, and this is the line which I say it out every day, that every day in every way, I am getting better and better. So this is what is the punchline that I follow. And I keep repeating this every day in the morning, every day, not only in the morning, whenever I feel of repeat, whenever I feel repeating this, I keep repeating this once, twice, thrice. And it gives me immense positivity that every day in every way I'm getting better and better. And all thanks to gratitude, that practicing gratitude is the way to it. Because of practicing gratitude, I am able to get into the better and better position. Thank you so much. So with this, I would just like to close the session. Thank you so much, everyone, for attending the session today, and truly grateful to all of you for making out your time on Sunday. And before we could just wrap up, I just wanted, as I told, that I'll be showing you my gratitude journal. So this is my gratitude journal, okay, and this is what I maintain. So here you can just see that I have mentioned here day along with dates, that what exactly is the day 1, day 3. I am grateful for what you can just see here. I'm grateful for. So I just wanted to show this to you. That this is what I just mentioned every time, and I just write it down like this. Yes. So any questions before we could just wrap it up? Final questions. Somebody has asked me the testosterone question. I think Prasad sir, right? You asked
Yes,
me?
sir. Yes, sir.
So that's what for the dopamine thing, I'm not very sure of the testosterone getting increased, but for oxytocin, yes, it is a love hormone, so testosterone particular thing gets increased in male. That I can say. But for dopamine, I'm not very sure. I'm sorry for that. Not very sure of it. Prasad sir?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I got it, sir. No issue,
Yes,
sir.
yes.
Fine,
Okay.
fine.
Thank
You
you so
answered
much.
all my questions, and I'm very satisfied and happy about that. And in
Thank
fact,
you so much.
I should thank on behalf of the entire group members over here that you are coming. I have attended one of your sessions on communication also. That was also mind-boggling. And looking forward for another sessions also. This is
Sure.
my humble request from all of us on the behalf of the group. Wonderful. God bless you, sir. God bless everyone. Thank you for
so
your
much.
value and honor your time that you are coming out over here and you are expressing. You are giving a amazing Padu session, the Padu.
Thank you so much. I'm
सही
really
था
grateful to all of
सही
you. Thank you so much for this.
Thank you.
Means a lot, sir. Christy, thank you so much, Christy, for attending the session. Sumitra ma'am, thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Yeah, it was wonderful. It
This.
was really nice. I've attended your storytelling one also with that trainers club, and I
Yes.
found you very creative, very creative. Yeah.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you so much. Very honored. Thank you so much. Truly
Thank you,
grateful.
Manas, for this wonderful session, Manas.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you, Freebird. I think it was wonderful. Thank you so much, Freebird. Thank you so much, Book My Session, for providing me with this opportunity. And this is the second time that I'm conducting the session in Book My Session. And yes, hope to conduct more and more sessions. And thank you so much for supporting me. Thank you so much.
We like to host you
Yes,
more
sir.
and more. Yes.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Yeah.
I'm truly grateful for this. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Manas, sir.
Thank you
Thanks
to
for
book
your
my
time.
session also.
Yeah.
Yes,
Thank
sir.
you to book my session also, and thank you to Gurpreet sir. Thank you to the
Yes.
entire team who has taken the efforts in bringing this session. I mean, organizing this session. You as a host also. Needless to say, lots of thanks infinite.
Thank you so much. Truly grateful. I think there's one small request to all the participants. So whatever we have learned today in the session, I request you all to please start practicing this, because if you practice, you can see immense results. And if you have any questions or any queries, you can please reach out to me, and I will definitely help you out with. If you face any difficulties, I'm always available, and I can always help in resolving your queries if you have any. If you just want my number, I can just type it out in the chat box again. Okay, somebody has mentioned thank you so many times. Okay, thank you so much. Okay, Freebird is really nice. Thank you so much. It's so nice of you that you have put an ocean of thank yous. Like it's that's why that it is very much replicating to the message of to the title of the session, right? Experiencing the joyful drizzle of gratitude. I think it's drizzling now. The thank you. Thank you so much. Yeah.
Just one more thing I want to say. Can I please?
Yes, please, sir. Please.
Yeah. In the morning when I wake up, I express my gratitude, and before going to sleep at night, at the same time also, at that time also, I express my gratitude. Initially, I used to write gratitude journal. The gratitude was on basically on these points: to my parents, to my teachers, to my friends, to the neighbors also who come in the difficult times, and to whatever I have possessed, whether it is water, air, money, finances, health, relationships, everything. But now, since I am being habituated for a long time, I just express my gratitude in the morning in the morning when I wake up, and before going to bed also in the night.
Yes.
So I'm maintaining the habit
Yes, nice.
and gratitude to universe also.
I'm happy that you are practicing gratitude, and it's gonna bring in lots and lots of positivity into your lives.
Yeah.
Adverse
Thank you,
situations
sir.
also, or adverse situations also. Let's start practicing gratitude. As you remember, the first activity which we did, so it is going to really help you in building up a lot in terms of positivity and self-confidence and everything.
Manas,
Yes, sir.
I
Thank you.
missed that first part. Can you just tell what the activity was? It's those two pictures, is it?
Yeah, it was two pictures. Do you want me to present the screen once again, ma'am, for you?
No, it's okay. I got an understanding what it was. Yeah.
Okay. So there were two pictures, ma'am. One was deprecating the mental clutters, and it was a picture which was full of pollution and everything. And the other picture was like it was a nice autumn sunny day. So
Yeah.
activity was that like how would you be grateful for the cluttered picture, so which is not that great. So how to that's what my whole ideology of the whole point of the activity, or the crux of the activity, was to find out how can you be even grateful even though when you have difficult times or when you have tough times.
Yeah,
So,
yeah. I got the latter part of it. So then anyway, I understood what it could be. I understood. Yeah, thank you. Thank you, Manas. Yeah.
Thank you so much.
Yeah.
Yes.
What is the next session now on? What are you planning?
I have not yet decided, Sumitra ma'am. So let me see. I will
Okay.
decide, and I will probably, yes, I will let Book My Session know that well in advance. Yeah, so probably once it comes, probably, yes, you can obviously be a participant for this particular session.
Yeah.
I want to say something. In Sanskrit, there is one word, punaragmanaya cha, means come back very soon.
Okay.
We are curiously, eagerly waiting for your sessions.
Thank you so much, Prasad sir. I'm truly grateful to you. Truly grateful to you.
Sir, is there any WhatsApp group so that we can join, so that we can get instant alerts on your sessions?
Yes,
For my
we have
sessions or for Book My Sessions?
Yeah, we
No,
have
for
one.
your sessions. For your sessions.
Okay.
Okay, for my sessions.
Yes, sir.
As of now, I haven't created any WhatsApp group as such, but yes,
Sure.
if you want, I can create a WhatsApp group, like adding people like who would like to join that. If you want, we can do that.
Yeah.
Not
That
an
will
issue.
Or
be
you
grateful,
can,
sir.
or you can join the group which is Book My Session group, where we posted Manas session as well as others. Very good, wonderful session. I'll just paste the
Sure,
link,
sir.
so you can
Yes.
join
Definitely.
that
Sure,
group.
sir. Thank you. Thank you very much, sir.
Yeah. Can you explain to us what this Book My Session is?
Yeah, sure, ma'am. So bookmysession.live is, I'm Rushi Seth, and I'm owning this as part of my other company called Miraro IT Services, which is an IT company. Now I'll give you little background and some little 2 minutes time to explain this. So we have around 80 developers in my team for IT company, right? And before last year March, we used to have such kind of sessions, face to face for our team. But then suddenly March, the lockdown started, and then what happens that they have started taking all this session through all the video platform, right, like YouTube and the Udemy and Academy and lots of other video platform, right? But then we think that no, this is not the good way of learning, because learning would be two-way, like what Manas also doing, right? Interactive two-way, because we also learn from each other, right? Rather than someone just you just sit 2 hours on the against computer and someone was just speaking, right? So we thought, let's try and get some live session for our team, different live sessions. But then we realized that there are some issues or some problem in this area. For example, trainer right now, what they do is they create their Zoom or Google Meet link and share this WhatsApp or Facebook group, right? But you cannot be part of every WhatsApp group or Facebook page or whatever, right? So there is a collaboration platform was missing. And let's say after this session, right, Manas sir given a good session. Now, how you give the feedback to him is might be on the WhatsApp, right? If you join through WhatsApp from his WhatsApp group or something, but that Manas cannot use in next session saying that I have a good 10 WhatsApp feedback, right? So the accreditation platform was also missing. So we said that, okay, let's start doing something for this community for trainers and learners. So from my own team, we developed this bookmysession.live, which is particularly for live session. And we just try to build this for a collaborative platform. So let's say we have around 250 plus trainers right now. So they just list their session on our platform, and then who can interested, they can join this session on the through the platform. So it's kind of, we're bridging the gap between trainers and learners for the live session, and it's a community platform, so it's completely free. We don't charge anything from either trainers or trainee. It's a completely free platform, right? And because we believe in this two-way learning, so we are focusing on how we can bridge the gap for this live training area, where we can help the trainers and learners to come onto the one platform. So for example, if next Sunday also you are free, right, at this point of time, let's say 6 o'clock, and you want to see what is happening, who is taking some live session at 6 o'clock Sunday, then you can go to Book My Session. You can check if there is some training happening, some sessions happening at 6 o'clock, and you can register for it. So, or similarly like that. So you can get to know what is happening in this live area, and then you can register for those sessions.
And even if we have some sessions, we can put it out on your.
Yeah, definitely. We are not restricted to anyone or anything, right? I mean, it's a it's open platform, community platform, and it's free. So anyone can list their session, and then people who come to our platform, if they like the subject, if they are available at that time, they can register for it. Yes, definitely.
How many people that way subscribing to this?
Yeah, right now we have around 4,000 plus trainee already subscribed. We have started it in November. So in the last 4 months, we have around 4,000 trainee registered, and and around 250 plus trainer, and we have done around 150 plus sessions until now.
Okay.
On various different topics, all different topics. Okay. And we don't restrict any topic, basically. It's the only criteria is should be live. It should not be recorded. That's the only thing.
Okay.
Yes.
That's great. I think this
Thank you, ma'am.
Manas, we are going to be very grateful for today.
Thank you so much, Sumitra ma'am.
For enlightening us on this part also, that Book My Session. It's really. What's your name? Book My Session. I mean.
Yes, sorry. Yeah, my name is Rushi Shet. I'm basically from Ahmedabad, but I settled in Pune now.
Okay.
Yes, I have around 18 years of IT experience. I worked in Accenture for 14 years, but 2 years back I have left Accenture, started my own IT company, which is this Miraro IT Services. So on Miraro, we are working on our US and Europe client for their application development, IoT based solution and all. But this is just, we do it for community kind of. Yes.
Okay, that's really.
Because we face these challenges, so we thought let's do something for this community.
Yeah, that's very great.
Thanks.
Thank you for this.
So very grateful for you, sir. Please continue this.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
So I'm truly grateful to Rushi and for for this Book My Session entire forum. That probably because of this forum, I'm grateful that I'm able to meet so many people today, like-minded people, and being able to facilitate a session. So that's something it's very wonderful. Thank you so much.
Thanks. And that's our aim also, Manas, that we like to bridge this gap and let people help each other, and especially this two-way learning, because and slowly now after we build this, right, I really think that really people want this rather than this all video platforms, because those are not like a learning way, basically, truly sense, right? It should be two-way always.
Yeah.
So one thing we should be always grateful to COVID is like the pandemic is we
Yeah,
are
yeah,
able to
it
connect
teaches so
virtually
many
also
different
across globally now.
yeah,
I know.
and it teaches so many different things also, right?
It's
Yeah.
widened our network so much, right across the globe now. Yeah.
Yes, 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 definitely.
Okay. Prasad sir says Yug Yug Jio gratitude ke saath. Yes, sir. Prasad sir, that's so true. That's so true.
Yeah. Great. Wonderful.
Fine. I think with this we can. I think Rushi, we can call it a day. I believe.
Yeah, yeah, sure, we can do, and I will share the recordings also with the people, so they can also refer the recordings also. Yes.
Thank you.
Thank you
Thank
so
you.
much.
Thanks.
Nazna
Thank
says also appreciate Book My Show. Okay. Thank you
Yeah.
so much. Yes,
Thank you.
thank you so much, participants.
Yeah.
Yes, Christy has raised her hand. Christy, would you like to add something? Okay. Fine. I think with this, we'll just close the session. Thank you once again, everyone, and have a pleasant evening. And yes, hope to see you all soon with a different
Yeah.
topic. And
Yeah.
thank you once again. Truly grateful to all of you. So with
Yeah.
this, I just like to sign off on behalf of Book My Session. Thank you so much once again for providing me with this wonderful opportunity. And yes, I'm yet to get back to the forum pretty soon.
Yeah.
Thank you so much.
Thanks a
So
lot.
one last thing to Rishi sir. So is there you can add a donate option in website so that we can contribute to your efforts? Hello.
Hello.
To Rishi sir, I just have one point. So is he still there?
That's what I wanted
Yeah.
to know,
Yeah. Okay. If he is there, just convey. If he's still there.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah.
I think
Thank you.
probably he might not be there. It's okay,
Yeah.
sir.
Okay.
Then I think we can call it a day. Thank
Yeah.
you so much once again.
Yeah. Thanks a lot, Manas. Thanks a lot. Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Bye-bye.
Good night.
Okay.
Yeah, good
Bye.
night.
Bye,
Bye.
everyone. Bye,
Bye,
everyone.
everyone.
Yeah.
Bye.
Yeah.
धन्यवाद.
Dhanyavad, sir. Thank you so much. Yeah.
Thank you, Manas.
Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you. Have a pleasant evening.